I'm Hiya Thakkar. I'm basically based out of Gujarat, but I've been living in Pune for the past 7 years. I'm currently pursuing my undergrad in psychology, and I'm doing a minor in business studies from Kriya University, which is located in Chennai. So the reason I chose Seagull was because I'd heard a lot about Sameer sir previously, and when I got to know about this agency, I just knew I had to come here because, again, having the 28 years of legacy means a lot. And when the opportunity presented itself, I just took it, and here I am. So one of the most important things that I learned at Seagull while I was working here was patience. I'm a very impatient person when it comes to work, but when I got to handle a few projects, I understood that patience is the key to success usually, and the fact that you have to be very calm and composed when you're working with your clients. So when I first started working here, I had no idea about the kind of work I'm going to get into, and I knew very little about the advertising world. But when I started interacting with my colleagues, I really got to understand advertising is much more than a simple print or visual. And the kind of afterthought it goes into even a small WhatsApp creative. There's a lot of ideation, a lot of process that is put into a simple kind of a creative as well. And I also got the chance to work for the Branding for Profit seminar. I got to talk to the attendees, and that was a really good experience. So talking about the work culture at Seagull, I found it really nice compared to the other organizations because there needs to be a proper work-life balance at any organization that you work at, any sort of field that you work in. And I feel like a bit of seriousness, a bit of fun is all a colleague needs. And even while working and interacting with other people, I found that it's not all about stress. There is also a bit fun. We play games, we do everything. We have ideation workshops, creative workshops. And that's a really good part about Seagull here. The one advice for the future interns would be that don't be scared off. Don't come with a closed mindset at all because you're going to be pushed a lot in terms of imagination. You need to think beyond the horizons, and that's the fun part of it. And apart from that, all I'm going to say is just have fun. Interact with your colleagues from different departments. It's not like if you're interning at, let's say, creative team, you're only going to talk to them. Talk to the creative department, talk to social media people. It's going to be very fun. You will gain a lot of experience, and that is all you need if you want to enter the world of advertising.